Korean store. I have a cold sore and we are going to get ice cream. This is Korean store. This is my fifth vlog. And in a while, we're here. Hi guys, we are in the Korean store. So let's go in. We are gonna start here. Korean ice cream. Let's see what are going to get in here.
Green tea, maru. Green tea, maru.
Ano ba yun? Where's the magnum? Melona, melona. Watermelon.
Melona. Ito yung kinain nila sa ano kagabi. Okay. Korean English mo.
Tsaka to yung melona.
Ito kinain nila kahapon. Tsaka ito.
Ayan. This is melona.
This is melona.
This is melona. It has two melonas.
Melona. This is watermelon.
Watermelon ice cream. It has ice. May ice from. What is this? A watermelon.
Oh, what else? I'll help you.
Let's get the door.
What flavor?
Coffee. This one. There's only three flavors. And this one.
That's a lot.
Where's the bag? Where's the bag? So it's over here. Next.
What else? Melona. Did we get melona already?
Guys, look. Our favorite. Milky Hello Panda. So this we can find
What else? Chips.
chips. Here over chips.
Jam. Here, Lex, oh.
Here. What is that?
Nakain nila Jungkook. Rice. Wakan mo ito, oh. Rice crackers. Dahan-dahan lang, ah. Huwag sisirain. Puff cereal. Ang lalaki ka. You like that?
Yeah. I'm gonna try at home.
You're going to buy that?
Yeah.
Puff.
Where's Daddy? I'm gonna put this over to the
Daddy.
bag.
Oh, what else? What else?
What else that we can buy? Look guys, my sister's favorite. Look guys, my sister's favorite.
What is that?
Tteokbokki because
Oh,
too
yun.
spicy. It's too spicy guys. I don't like any spicy. Chips. There's chips over here. Look guys.
They have popcorn. Like so.
They
have popcorn.
popcorn. Or it's too spicy.
No,
I
it's
don't
not
like
spicy.
spicy food.
What else?
What else we can? Look guys.
What is that?
Honey citron tea.
Citron.
Honey citron tea.
Oh, enough na? No more na?
There's something else we can get.
Ay, no. Wet dyan, wet. Oops. Dito ka lang.
What is yours?
Sarap. Ayan, kata mo yun. May Meron silang soup.
There's tunas.
Soup and cream of corn. Soup.
Follow me already. Mommy, follow me. Mommy, follow me.
Puro ice cream. No more na. Oh, enough na. So, enough na. We're going to pay. Going to pay.
We're going to pay this food. Hi guys, we are back in our house. Look at in the Korean store we bought. This is sun chips. This is hot chips. This is our favorite Korean chips. This is cereal cookies, pop cereal cookies, biscuit, their cereal shuffles. This is the ice cream flavors that we bought. This one is the mango. This flavor is chocolate. This is flavor strawberry. This is the mango. This vanilla and chocolate. The mango vanilla matcha flavor. This one is red bean. This one is flavor, but it's normal. It's coffee. So this is melona. Its flavor is watermelon. It's cold. This one is Fledor. But I don't know what this flavor is. Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
This flavor is cream cheese. We'll go try. Hi guys, welcome back to this. We are going to eat cereal cookies and sun chips. This is so big! Wow! Wow, this is so bigger than all the things. Smells good. Smelling.
Good.
Good. Whoa, so big.
Laki.
This is so big. Guys, next we'll try sun chips. My sun chips, my favorite, our favorite chips in Korean store. Let's open it.
Ang lasa. It tastes like.
It tastes like lemon. Just kidding, it tastes like chips.
Corn chips. Ano lalasaan mo?
Tastes like corn chips.
Nagiginaw.